Ever noticed your posts or comments aren't getting upvotes or visibility on Reddit? Most people get this wrong, but here's why you might be shadow banned and how to fix it on your PC. A shadow ban happens when Reddit limits your account visibility without notifying you. Your posts might only be visible to you, making it look like nobody is interacting. The first step is to confirm if you're banned. You can use an incognito browser or log out and check your posts in the subreddit. If your content is invisible, that's a red flag. The next step is to identify why it happened. Common reasons include posting spam, repeated rule violations, or using automated bots. Reddit takes these violations seriously, even if you didn't intend harm. The key is to stop any behavior that triggered the ban and review Reddit's content policy. Once confirmed, the main way to remove a shadow ban is to appeal to Reddit admins. Go to Reddit's contact page, select account issues, and explain your situation clearly and politely. Mention that you understand the rules and will comply going forward. Keep your appeal concise. Admins receive thousands of requests, so clarity matters. While waiting for a response, avoid creating new accounts or spamming posts, as that can make matters worse. Most shadow bans are lifted within a few days to weeks if your account was in good standing and you followed the appeal process. In summary, shadow bans are not permanent in most cases. By checking your visibility, understanding the rules, and submitting a polite appeal, you can restore your account and continue participating normally. Subscribe for more tips on Reddit account management and how to avoid platform issues.